Tonight we are going on a canoe trip on the Rio Napo.
Yeah, we're going on a tour of the rainforest and we're going to make a few stops. John found this awesome purple rock. Awesome.
Can you tell them what we had for before breakfast today? What we ate?
We had a cacao
Bean.
Ready?
Cacao, which makes what?
Chocolate. Yeah. It was really good.
So what's our first stop today? Do you remember?
We're gonna go see how indigenous people live
In the rainforest. And then what else are we going to do today?
And then we're going to go tubing.
Yeah. And what else are we going to do?
See monkeys.
Yeah.
And you're not here.
Flavia. Okay, see you later.
And this is Carlos.
And you are not here.
Hola.
That's
Our guide.
And you're not here, so the people.
Stop. Después se va a estar más tranquilo, ya no va a haber lluvia.
Some women are preparing fish in these wrapped in leaves. It's very smoky in here. And they leave it there for about 40 minutes. We went to a restaurant last night and this is what John ate. It looks just like this.
He's getting rid of the bad spirits. Oh, it's wrong.
He's pretending to be the shaman. You're not exactly coordinated. Honey, get this in the wall. You see where it says saludos?
We're going to watch their traditional dance.
Okay, so here it says saludos in Quechua, which is the indigenous language, in Espanol, in Spanish, and in English. So we're learning all three languages in school. This is the classroom.
Bobby are going to reproduce the dance that they had in there.
Okay.
You going to do boy or girl? Okay.
Okay.
Nadia was scared.
Yeah, that was totally awesome. Hi, we made it to like a little village of the indigenous people, and they're preparing the older ladies of the place. They prepare like chicha from yuca and like mixed with sweet potatoes and a little bit of water, and they like spit in it and
They chew it up.
yeah, they chew it up and spit it, and Dawn and Michelle are brave enough to try it. Okay, let's see. This is what the chicha looks like.
Okay, Michelle, let's see if you
You ready?
The whole thing. Oh, it's swallowing many times. You're drinking the whole thing?
Is it good?
It's strange. It's hard. Different. That's
Try it, Nadia?
Yeah.
I don't know about this.
Is it good?
It's different.
We're just gonna have some more. Wow.
Depende de la
It kind of tastes like
fermentación.
yogurt. like really rotten yogurt. Like yogurt that's been sitting out for a while.
Do you happen to know how that tastes like?
Or like what?
This
You know
is
what I
the
mean?
old woman's spit
Smell it.
with the
Do you
yucca
wanna smell
and
it?
the
That one doesn't have
and the sweet potato. Oh, this one doesn't have spit yet.
Do you want to smell it?
Smell it.
Oh, yeah. It smells like old yogurt.
Smell it.
Well, I
No?
tried that. I tried another one.
Daniel, do you want to smell it? Do you want to try it? Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
I just needed this. Okay, we have to say goodbye to the women.
Jagama.
Tanya?
Oh, Shupuja Kunjagama.
Ahí es que para derecho. Ya, si pues llegamos. ¿Qué fue? Pues